Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing this eye look. It's kind of like a diamante smoky eye. So yeah, it's quite a long, lots of little bits to do with it. So I'm gonna get straight into it. But look at my nails. Nail check. I did these last night. Little half and halves, cute. But let's get into the video. So I'm using my V palette, and the first thing I do is go into the shade Delicious and just run this into my socket, just blending it all out, bringing it into like a V as well, just kind of blending it out a little bit. I then go in with a angled brush into the shade Goodnight and draw a wing on. I'm going to take a little bit of the black and just kind of define the V. And bring it in to where I want my gems. So it's like that at the minute. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Glimmer, which is this kind of like champagne colour, and just apply that into the inner corner. And then I'm going to get in this shade, which I can never say, and just apply that all over the lid. Find it's easier to use these with a little bit of setting spray on them, as they go onto the eyelid a lot easier. Just filling. Like that, and then I'm going to go back into the black with the eyeliner and just really deepen up this out section. Okay, so I then went in with my collection matte and metallic liquid eyeliner thing, and I took the metallic side and just where I drew the black line, I went in and just drew this bit on. You can't really see it once the gems are on, but it just kind of helps. Like if you can see through the little dots, it just helps to kind of make them all look a little bit more uniformed. Okay, and then just let that dry a little second. I then just took an eyelash glue and just ran it over where I'd put the metallic. So just starting from the bottom. And then these are the size that I'm using for the gems. So they're quite small, and I'm using the clear ones from the bottom, and then all you have to do is just dip, 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 put them all on. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so now that all of these are on, I'm going to go with my eyeliner, my brown eyeliner, and really run this up the waterline and drag it a little bit onto where the black eyeliner eyeshadow is, and then just taking the angled brush and blending it all in. I then went in with my eyeliner just my Huda Beauty eyeliner, just to do the inner corner. And then again running that pencil in the waterline. Taking that the angled brush again and just rubbing whatever's excess underneath the waterline. And then I just took my concealer brush just to kind of neaten it up a little bit. And then add some mascara and some eyelashes, and then I'll come back. Okay, so lashes are on, and for the finishing touches to the eyes, I'm going to go in and just add some little gems that you can see here, just on the front of the eye, so just sticking them So this is the finished makeup look. It's kind of extra, but I quite like it. I like the gems. I'm really into gems at the minute. It makes my eyes look a little bit bigger, which can't go wrong. So yeah, I don't know, I think this is going up on Sunday, which is tonight for me. But yeah, I'm going to be filming 2 others today to go up Friday and Sunday. So yeah, if you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another video on Friday.